Susie Gharib from PBS's Nightly Business Report is at the New York Stock Exchange this morning. Susie, below 8,000, where is the end? Where is the bottom?
Well, you know, I wish I had a crystal ball and I can say this is where it's going to end and this is the date. Dow 8,000, is that the magic number? We really don't know. There are not too many good reasons right now that why people want to buy stocks every day. There's more grim news about the economy. A lot of things are weighing on investors' minds. How long is this recession going to last? Will the auto industry survive? And will the housing market stabilize? And so that's why people are cashing out of stocks, and it's going to be messy for a while, so fasten your seatbelt.
Who's feeling the brunt of it? Where are you seeing the effects most?
Well, it's kind of across the board. I mean, we saw yesterday Citigroup stock fall 23% in one day. I mean, that was incredible. But you look at all the stocks, even General Motors, General Electric, stocks like that, everybody is getting hit. Housing stocks, it's across the board.
All right, Susie Gharib, thank you very much this morning. Now let's go back over to Jeff.
Okay, Maggie, thank you very much. We have our personal financial advisor here this morning, Ray Martin. Ray, always good to see you.
Jeff, good to see you too.
Not necessarily in these times.
Oh, man.
We talk about how messy it is. The volatility continues almost every single day, these huge swings. Is there a low that we can talk about?
You know, I think for investors out there, this is like watching a train wreck in slow motion for them. You know, you watched yesterday afternoon and the Dow got to about 8,200. There's a little bit of support, a little up and down motion, and then just kept falling down below 8,000 yesterday. You know, Wall Street and Main Street right now are saying, where's the bottom? They don't know. Is it 8,000? Is it 7,000? Is it 6,000? You know, what we know is the Dow has fallen from this time last year by 6,000 points, 45%. Another 45% would put it at 4,500. Seems ridiculous right there. But you look at stock valuations, Jeff, and look at incredible, by fundamental measures, very low values right here, or low prices relative to the earnings versus 1973-74, which is an incredible value time.
And they seem like values, which would say maybe you buy them.
If you trust the earnings, and you don't know what the earnings of these companies will be, right, Jeff?
And what do people do now? When you talk to people, what do you tell them?
Well, what's happening right now is, you know, professional investors, individual investors lack confidence to come in and buy, and as a result, no buyers are showing up. You know, if people say right now do I sell? And I was speaking at a conference in New Jersey this weekend and got asked that question a lot. And I say, if you haven't sold at this point, what's the point in selling? You've seen a 45% drop here at this time. Now, I'm getting a lot more questions, though, by folks saying, do I buy now? And I'm saying, hey, hold off right here, okay? We're going to see a lot of this up and down volatility. You could see the Dow at 7,000 or 6. We're all just guessing at this point. But what you do is don't invest your rent money or your grocery money into this right now, and invest, if you're going to invest, small amounts, dollar cost averaging in. And, you know, 5 years later from now, you'll look at some of these entry points over the next year or two as pretty good entry points.
Not huge injections into the market at any one time.
Small little bits of savings and your long-term money only.
Okay, Ray Martin, our financial advisor. We appreciate your time, as
All right,
always.
Jeff.